Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. In today's video we're going to make some smoothie and all the ingredients are right here. I have some spinach with some ginger, 1 apple, 1 banana, lemon and some milk. That's plant-based milk. You can use any milk of your choice. You can use lactose-free milk. I was supposed to use lactose-free milk, but I purchased the wrong one, so hopefully this one tastes good. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Cut out in the middle. The recipe said 1 small apple, so I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna eat that later, probably for a snack with some cucumber. So I'm gonna just use this one right here. In the country, that is what we do. We rub it like this so I can get more juice before I cut it. So I'm gonna use half of this lemon. So now, this is my blender. I'm going to pour in these ingredients in here. First I'm going in with my lemon, my banana and apple. Then I'm going in with my spinach and ginger. And this milk right here. And then these ice cubes. I'm gonna cover it and blend. So I'm going to find the smoothie grate. And then I'm going to press it. I think I want to go some more. There you go. Let's taste it. This is how it looks. I'm gonna pour it. It's more than a cup. So they said 1 apple. Maybe the apple was too much, but yes, this is how it came out. And I'm gonna taste it and let y'all know how it goes. But for now, I'm gonna take thumbnail. So see y'all later.